Hi there, Lee here from Kayaks for Fishing, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing and a bit of a walkthrough of this thing right here, which is the Vaquita kayak and stand-up paddleboard electric motor from EPropulsion. Okay, so in here we've got the instruction manual and a wrist strap, sticker as well. Then we've got two ratchet straps that come with the package. These go with the universal strap that we'll go into in a sec. You've got the wireless controller that controls the speed settings. That can go around your wrist or it can go around your paddle. In this bag too, this is one of the things that blows my mind about this package. It comes with lots of different mounts, a couple of different screws as well. So we've got the US fin box mount and the standard fin box. So depending on which one you need, it comes with the kit. And then you'll find as we get under this one that it'll also come with a universal mount, which is designed to be used with the two ratchet straps. So we've got our power cable and our charger. And if we look under here, we'll go for the battery first. It's a nice big lithium battery. And then we've got the motor itself. So as standard with the Vaquita, it comes with a universal mount, which means it's kind of got everything you need in the package to get you going straight away because of the other mounts that come with it. And this one is kind of a catch-all. So if you don't have a fin box at all, you can use the universal mount here with the ratchet straps that they provide in the kit. And they simply go through these slots here and ratchet strap to the kayak or stand-up paddleboard. In addition to these mounts, the kit also comes with a rudder mount, and you'll see this in a little bit more detail later on in this video. The connector is a really strong 3-prong connector that will go from under the kayak or stand-up paddleboard up into the battery, and it's got a thread here that threads onto the battery itself. The battery itself is quite a powerhouse. Underneath here, this is one of the features that I like the most. It's got these little kind of clips here that if you've got a strap that goes from one side of the kayak to the other, you can just simply slide it on and that'll clip into place. So it's a nice, quick and easy way to mount your battery in the back of your kayak or on the SUP. But also on top here, we've got 4 kind of little holes that you can use to clip in clips or any kind of strap or elastic strap. If we look at the remote control now, it's got a slider here that you can press up and down. There's little notches that you can feel as you slide it up, so you can feel where you're at. It's not a smooth slider, so you can kind of notch it up one notch at a time to get your feel for the speed that you're going. One of the best parts about the Vaquita motor package is how it comes with all different mounts ready to get you on the water. So to change the mounting system, you can simply lift this little tab here and then push it through. And if we wanted to go with the US fin box mount, we just simply press that in and then clip it into place like so. Very sturdy and very versatile, quick and easy to get on the kayak or stand-up paddleboard too.
Now let's check out some ways that we can mount the Vaquita. The first way we're going to look at is onto a ruddered kayak. So the first thing we need to do is remove the universal adapter and replace it with the US fin box adapter. The US fin box adapter slides into the rudder adapter. This allows you to connect the Vaquita to a kayak that already has a rudder. Installation of the rudder adapter is quick and easy, and this whole process only took between 5 to 10 minutes. And once you have everything marked out, it's just a case of drilling 2 holes into the rudder and then securing the rudder adapter to the rudder on the kayak. The finished product looks great, and mounting it on the rudder means that you also have a means to steer the kayak when it's motorized as well. The next one we're going to look at is mounting the Vaquita to a US fin box. We start by removing the universal adapter and replacing it with the US fin box adapter. Simply slide the adapter into the US fin box and tighten the screw at the back of the adapter. In this example, we're using the US fin box, but if you have a slide and lock fin box, there's an adapter for that one as well, and it's just as quick and easy. Finally, the last example we're going to share here is the universal adapter. Now, the universal adapter is designed to be used with the 2 ratchet straps that come in the kit provided. Start by turning the kayak over so you have an easy way to position the motor exactly where you want it. The next step is to take the 2 ratchet straps and thread them through the universal adapter and out the other side. Loop them around the kayak or paddleboard and then tighten the ratchet straps so the motor is secure. As with any of the motor setups that we've shared here, once you have the motor connected to the kayak, the only thing left to do is to position the battery, turn it on, and pair the remote before you head off out on the water.
The Vaquita's mounting options make it an incredibly popular purchase because it fits almost any type of kayak or stand-up paddleboard. The battery life keeps you out there for a lot longer and you're exerting a lot less effort, so you're enjoying your time on the water. This one qualifies for free shipping, and we also have 90-day returns. My name is Lee from Kayaks for Fishing. Sing out if you need anything.